So students, in this presentation we will learn about automobile maintenance system. This is the point number 6.4 of the subject automobile engineering, and it is a part of unit number 6. So it is a very short presentation. Let us see the learning outcome of this unit, of this particular point. We will learn here what is the significance of garage, workshop, service station and dealership. All these words are very well known to us. Garage, workshop, service station, these are the three kinds of small organizations, or we can say a very small scale businesses, or for particularly workshop it may be a medium scale business. So we have seen garages, workshop, service station for automobile, as well as we have seen the dealerships of the two-wheelers and four-wheelers in the town for various companies, how dealership works and how they achieve the profit through running the dealership. So let us see regarding these three important points: garage, workshop and service station, and after that we will learn about the dealership, the concept of dealership. Before starting, let us see the definition. Who is an automobile mechanic? Automobile mechanic is a worker who repairs and overhauls cars or automobiles and other automotive vehicles or their systems and parts. He examines them, makes necessary repairs, replacements, adjustments, and presents the repaired vehicle to his superior or to the customer. So these are some of the duties the automobile mechanic is having when we put a mechanical automobile to him for some problems. He examines necessary repairs, he examines the vehicle, after that he repairs that and make the replacement, adjustment and presents the repaired vehicle to the customer finally. So let us start with another concept. Automobile mechanic works in a general garage, workshop or service station. For efficient and proper running of a motor vehicle, it is necessary that motor vehicle should be properly maintained and repaired. Satisfactory repair works reasonably charges qualified and experienced technical staff providing prompt attention and good workmanship help a garage to get reputed and popularized in the market. So in any kind of garage or workstation, workshop or service station, there should be a skilled automobile mechanic. That's why we the workshop or garage, that particular workshop or garage can get a reputation in the market, and he get good popularity among the customers also. A garage in a general is a place where cars or automobiles stored and cared for. It includes departments like storing, sales room, auto supply department, oil and accessory sales. It also provides maintenance service in case of tires, battery, lubrication and running repair. It should be very well equipped for providing petrol, lubrication and washing bay, as well as for a tire and battery service. For major work, it may not be necessary having the equipment, although there would be available equipments: air compressor, lift, jacking facilities and axle stands, etc. There are four types of garages. Number 1, one spanner sign or small garage. Number 2, two spanner sign or medium garage. Number 3, three spanner sign or large garage. And number 4, breakdown truck or big garages. So such type of classification is there. Let us see the meaning of a one spanner sign or small garage. These garages are small in size, have adequate facilities for customers. About 50% of the staff is properly trained and qualified. In such garages mainly deal with replacement and adjustment of most of the major components for a particular range of vehicles. So if you see a small garage, then only very small facilities available there for replacement and adjustment of some of the components of automobile. Second type is medium garage. These have good customer facilities. About 2/3 of the staff is well trained. all routine services and some of the specialized work carried out here. So this is the meaning of medium garage, where we can find two-thirds of the staff is well trained, and some of the routine services and some specialized work can be done here in medium type of garages. Third type is large garages. In these garages, all the staffs are well trained and qualified. The inspection, diagnosing and servicing and repair can be carried out without advance booking in the garages. And last one is a big garage. This garage can carry out most of the first aid type repair until midnight. They provide recovery van services to carry away damaged or broken down vehicles. They provide electrical repairs until at the last midnight, in addition to providing good parking area and waiting room facilities. So this is a big concept of the garage, where you can have all the facilities, not only for the customers waiting room but also for parking the damaged vehicle, or the vehicles which are having the problems, or the vehicles need the services. And here you can find all the facilities for the vehicle repair also, like denting, painting, or specialized work related to the engine, or glass work like that. So automobile workshop means, third concept is automobile workshop. Automobile workshop is a place where repairs and servicing of automobiles and automobile system are done. Very simple meaning. And last one, or it may be also called as a service station. A service station is a place where, in addition to care of the motor vehicle like mechanical service and minor repairs, petrol is supplied, cars are lubricated and cleaned, washed, and other types of simple services that are required daily are performed. In general, it includes number of sections like service, mechanical service, major repair shop, tire shop, paint shop, body shop. A service station is addition to the equipment available in a garage, is usually run in conjunction with the sales agency for a particular type of motor vehicle to provide comprehensive repair service for that particular vehicle. So such type of service station is available with the dealership. A dealership runs such type of service stations also. The equipment available in a garage, in a general garage, will be added with the specialized equipment like lifting tackle and different types of jigs, fixtures and tools specially designed for checking, adjusting and repair of particular type and make of the vehicle. A service station may consist of machine shop having a lathe, drilling and drilling machine. So service station may are having such type of small machine shop having lathe and drilling machines. Third category is workshop. It is an engineering workshop where work not attended in service station will be attended. The specialist repair shops need experts in their particular line. They usually provide good service in attending to repairs at reasonable charges, as well as take off the responsibility from the shoulders of the service station men. Similarly, and the electrical repair, radiator repair, painting and welding jobs, as well as body work can also be sent to the specialist repair shop. So this is a workshop, big workshop. So this is a chart which shows the difference between a garage, a service station and a workshop. So in a garage, it replaces and repairs are carried out on by the skilled workers, while in case of service station, you will find in service station fuel filling and servicing facilities, other servicing facilities are available. It has a small workshop to provide repair for a particular make of vehicle. It may have sales agency for particular type of vehicle. And in case of workshop or specialist repair, it is an engineering workshop where works not attended in service station will be attended. So in case of garage, you can find petrol pump, washing bay, tire and battery servicing equipments are available. In case of this service station, you will see all the equipment in the garages plus small workshop, tools, lathe, drilling machines, jigs and fixtures are available. While in case of specialized repair or workshop, big workshop, it has a crankshaft grinding machine, test bench and painting shop. So garages are generally located on the main roads. So service station are also located on main road or nearer to the highway, and specialist repair or workshop located on sides or the highways or main roads. So let us see the layout of typical garage, service station and specialist repair shop. The internal layout of garage should be such as to make it waterproof, clean and spacious to provide sufficient space for small work benches to storage and repair benches. Following repair section, you will see the office space for the office, toilet, stores, foreman room, waiting room, such type of facilities that you can see in a garage or a service station. And this is another layout for the big workshop. You will see more facilities here in this. You will see the electrical repair, wheels and tires repair, transmission repair, auto body repairs, main replacement, or we can see here air supply, lubrication supply, petrol supply, diesel supply, all these facilities. Way for vehicles, we will see special way for vehicles. You will see the office, security room, painting section, radiator service, washing ramp. All these facilities are available in a big workshop. So next is a dealership. A car dealership or automobile dealership or vehicle dealership is a business that sells new or used cars at the retail level based on dealership contract with an automaker or its sales subsidiary. It can also carry a variety of certified pre-owned vehicles. It employs automobile salesperson to sell their automotive vehicles. It may also provide maintenance services for cars and employ automotive technicians to stock and sell spare automobile parts and process warranty claims. So these are some of the we can see the revenue sources at the dealership. Number one, new vehicle or car sales. Every dealership earn margin as decided by the respective OEM through every sale. So OEM means original equipment manufacturer. The automobile dealership earns almost 3 to 6% margin on each side. Second is used vehicle sales. Majority of the automobile dealership offers exchange facility to new vehicle buyers. The used vehicle procured is sold and margin is earned. Here too the average margin is about 5%. So finance margin. The automobile dealership shall earn a margin on getting a vehicle financed from the respective banker. The banker pays a margin of 0.5 to 2% for each vehicle financed to the dealer partner. Next is insurance payout or margin. The insurance companies releases a payout of an average 18% to the respective dealers. Majority of the insurance is handled by the brokers appointed by the OEMs. Accessories. Dealership earns an average 20% margin on the accessories sold during the new car sale. And last is target linked incentives from the OEMs. Some automobile manufacturers also incentivize the dealers on achieving the set targets for a particular month or quarter year. The incentives form an average of 1 to 4% and varies accordingly basis extent of the target achieved. So this way a dealership can achieve the earnings. After that, holding charges. Many dealers charges handling charges expenses to on the every sale and is primarily the cost of managing the vehicle, logistic and stockyard expense. After that, after sale service operation you can find here with the dealership. First is periodic maintenance or general repairs. After that, body shop and sale of the parts. So this way we can have the information regarding the dealership. Thank you very much. For more information you can have these links. Thank you for your attention.